Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Dia and Craft. Today you are watching our videos, the Christmas pine cone decoration. Different. You are watching the heart shape pine cone decoration. Now you are watching the star shape pine cone decoration for Christmas. You are watching the dyed pine cone decoration heart shape. You are watching the color dyed wreath of pine cone. You are watching pine cone hanging worth. You are watching the flower pot flower vase making with different colors pine cone. You are watching flowers made with pine cones. You are watching hanging flowers made with pine cone. You are watching a Christmas tree, three Christmas tree different sizes made with pine cone. You are watching a sparrow nest made with pine cone. You are watching the Christmas tree decorate with the pine cones. You are watching the three um, cats, mini cats. You are watching a Christmas tree made with pine cone and different items. You are watching a frame of flower made with pine cones, different colorful. You are watching a Christmas tree lightning and pine cone made. You are watching a vase made with pine cones, different colorful, beautiful, unique idea. You are watching the pink and white shade pine cone dyed colors. You are watching the beautiful flowers vase made with the pine cones. You are watching white and golden beautiful combination of pine cones colored. You are watching red and yellow combination of color of pine cone. You are watching a decoration piece of pine cone. You are watching the Christmas tree. You are watching different colors, purple, pink, green, light green, pine cone. Right, you are watching a star Christmas decoration. You are watching the dual color combination pine cone decoration. You are watching Christmas tree making idea. You are watching different idea, simple and easy. You are watching the flowers made with pine cones. You are watching a flower vase made with pine cones. Beautiful idea, simple and easy. You are watching pine cone worth beautiful and easy. You can make at home. You are watching the Christmas tree decoration.